Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're tackling a really, really big question that's shaping, well, everything.
Yeah.
Artificial intelligence and the future of how we work.
Yeah, it's huge.
Based on what we've been looking at, it seems the core question really boils down to this. Is AI going to take our jobs? Or is it actually going to become, a partner, something that helps us work better?
It's definitely this central tension, isn't it? This push and pull.
Okay, let's unpack that.
Well, on one hand, you've got the genuine worry, right? That AI is getting so capable, so fast, that it will lead to significant job displacement, people losing jobs.
Right.
But then there's the other side. A more optimistic view, maybe? Seeing AI more as a tool, something that enhances our own skills, makes us better, maybe even opens up totally new opportunities.
Okay, let's zero in on that first argument for a second, the replace idea.
Yeah.
When we talk about AI taking over tasks, what are we really talking about? What kinds of jobs?
Usually the focus is on tasks that are pretty repetitive, rule-based. Think about processing thousands of invoices or data entry on a massive scale. AI can do that now, often faster and, frankly, with fewer mistakes than humans.
Okay.
And that kind of automation where AI just takes over these predictable tasks, that's what fuels the concern about job losses, especially in sectors that rely heavily on that kind of work.
Right. Efficiency gains there are undeniable.
Yeah.
But then there's this other narrative, the empower side. What does that actually look like? Can you give us a clearer picture?
Yeah, definitely. So think about healthcare, medical diagnosis, for instance.
Okay.
AI algorithms can look at medical scans, x-rays, MRIs incredibly quickly with amazing accuracy. They can spot things, potential issues that maybe even a skilled doctor might miss on a first pass.
So it's like a second pair of eyes.
Exactly. A really powerful second pair of eyes. The AI isn't replacing the doctor's judgment or expertise, not at all. It's adding another layer of analysis.
Helping them make better decisions.
Precisely. Which hopefully leads to better patient outcomes. And interestingly, this kind of augmentation, it can free up professionals like doctors to focus on the really complex problems, the strategic thinking, the human interaction bit.
Okay, so it's less about a robot literally taking your desk and more like having a super capable assistant for certain parts of the job.
That's often the idea, yeah.
That makes me think, though, could AI actually create totally new types of jobs, things we haven't even thought of yet?
Oh, absolutely. History kind of shows us that, doesn't it? Big technological shifts often create whole new industries.
Like the internet.
Exactly like the internet. Think of all the jobs that exist now that were unimaginable 30, 40 years ago. Web developers, social media managers, data scientists.
Right.
So similarly, just building, deploying, managing, and importantly, maintaining these AI systems, that's going to require a whole new workforce with new skills.
We're already seeing some of that, aren't we?
We are. Roles like AI trainer, people who actually teach the AI models, or prompt engineer specialists in getting the AI to do what you want effectively. It's not just about the tasks changing, it's about entirely new work categories popping up around AI itself.
So it sounds like the future isn't really this simple, either replace or empower. It's going to be messy.
I think messy is a good word. Complex, certainly. A mix.
A mix of some jobs changing dramatically, some being automated away, others being boosted by AI, and these brand new roles appearing.
Precisely. And the impact won't be the same everywhere. Some industries will feel the automation side more heavily. Others will lean more into that human-AI collaboration.
Which means adapting is key.
Absolutely crucial. Our ability to learn new skills, to figure out how to work with these AI tools effectively, that's going to be vital, which, brings up the big question of how we actually prepare for all this.
Yeah, that is the million-dollar question for everyone, isn't it? So for you listening, what this deep dive really highlights is that the future of work with AI in the picture, it's complicated. It's got potential pitfalls, sure, but also some really significant opportunities.
It's not just about robots taking over, it's more fundamental.
Yeah.
A shift in how we even think about work.
And the key takeaway is probably that complexity itself.
Right. We have to see both sides. Acknowledge the potential disruption, yes, but also actively look for and embrace how AI can empower us, how it can create these new paths.
So on that note, here's something for you to really chew on. Thinking about your own field, or just the world in general, what specific skills, what ways of thinking do you believe will be the most valuable as we navigate this AI-driven future? Definitely something worth pondering for your own path forward. Thanks for exploring this deep dive with us.